In this video, we will see how to add a shadow to text and how to add a shape around the text in Adobe Express. To add text, you can copy it from somewhere else and paste it here, then resize it. Or you can click text and then write the text directly in the design. To edit the text, you need to click on the text in the design, or you can click on the Layers panel on the side if it is hard to select the text directly. You can go to the Other tab and add some effects to the text. Here you can generate texture with AI, add shadows, or add shape and color to the background of the text. For the shadows, you can see that you have a few options and also a custom one. If you click Custom, you get the option to change the colors, blur, angle, and distance of the shadow on the text. If you click any of the ready-made shadows, you can change the color of the shadow to whatever suits your situation. With the shape, you can add some borders around the text so it will pop up. I think that most of the time, it is better without the shape. You can see more shapes by clicking See More. When you choose one shape, you can click it and have some customization, like the size of the shape, colors, and opacity. When you click the button Cut Out Text, you can see through the text the image that is underneath it. So if you want to have clear text with the image texture, you can use this trick. If you just want to have the text clear, you can take any shape and click the button to remove the color. Then click the background color and choose Clear Color. That way, you have the shape of the text, and you get the image as the background texture of the text. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.